Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 30th, 2016, and today's the last day of the month. It is Thursday. Let's look at the economic calendar first. 10:30 a.m. GBP current account number coming out. Simultaneously, we have a final GDP number coming out. Then at 2:30 South African time, GDP number coming out of the CAD, that's Canadian dollar, and then weekly unemployment number simultaneously at 2:30. And then 5 p.m. South African time, Bank of England, Governor Carney will be speaking. This goes off the back of last week's Brexit vote, so it should be kind of interesting how that actually fruites. And then at 7:30 p.m. South African time, we have USD number coming out, FOMC meeting, that's at 7:30 p.m. So let's look what's going on the charts. We'll start out with the Euro USD here. Euro USD rallying to 111, as you can see here, closing off this gap that we had, and it's settling down. So we had this little sideways trading on this Monday after this big colossal retracement last Thursday, Friday. And now we're just at 111. So we're trading within the parameters, okay, which is really nice. I mean, we had this colossal move down. We went down to 109.55. We then rallied to 111. We retraced again. I mean, this is really beautiful. This is almost a beautiful retracement. We rallied, retraced back to 110, and now we're trading at 111. So if we could keep above this line, maybe we could fill up this gap as well. And let's see, okay, the certain markets that were corrected last week are making a correction this week. So if we look at the Dow Jones, for example, we had this move last week, obviously, big move down, and then we went all the way down to 17,000-ish level, okay, which was on Monday, and then we came right back, and now look, we're back at 17,585. We traded at 17,600 last week, just yesterday. So look, these are great opportunities. I mean, on the downside and on the upside. I hate to say it that we missed this opportunity on the upside. Everybody beat themselves up for not being in this. Well, how about being in this? This is the correctional move, okay? We talk about, fading the first move. This is a classical situation like that. Okay, so it took over a few more days, but still, this is a classical fatal move. And so, volatility is there. Okay, the VIX is down a little bit in the last couple of days, but volatility is there. Looking at we'll look at the commodities. We'll look at the gold right here, trading at 13.15, and retracing. Okay, which is naturally the case for gold. It's not retracing big time. I would have expected it to make a correctional move back to 1260, 1280, but this is strong. Okay, this is what we call strong symbol. Okay, it's not retracing relatively to the market. It's maintaining its strength, not retracing as big, for example, as the correctional move that we had in the Dow Jones. So looking at this, it's still a buy. I still think it's going to hit 14,000, even though it sold off about 15 points, 20 points, I mean, which is a joke compared to how much further this thing could go up. So again, the gold is it's a haven kind of investment. It's usually when market uncertainty is capitulated to the point that people put their money away in gold. So just keep that in mind, that there's a little bit of I would say uncertainty in the market. The U.S. has their vote coming up, their election for a new president, Brexit. A lot of uncertainty in the market, so a lot of geopolitical issues around the world. So even though it doesn't seem like it's on the news every single day, it's there in the background. So keep that in mind as gold continues to go up. Looking at oil also had a very bullish week this week. As you can see, we went up about 3 points for the week at almost $50 a barrel. So it's been you can trade the trend in it, okay, which was going up this week. Obviously, Brexit vote, it did retrace just like the indices retraced, but as you can see, it's almost back to where it was previously to when the number came out. So multiple opportunities in the market, just got to be in it to win it. Remember some big news events later on this afternoon. So keep an eye on that. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading, and I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.